First, I would like to thank the company that sent me this fantastic clothes rack to test. We love it. It was super simple to put together. It took me and my husband about 30 minutes total. I love how it's black, it's super sturdy, it's durable, it's easy to move around your house because it does have wheels. You can scoot it from room to room. I like to put mine in my basement. I love how tall it is and the fact that it has 3 different shelves on it. We like to put shorts and pants at the top and hang our shirts here. You can hang your pants at the bottom, put bathing suits, baskets, socks, underwear on the middle rack. It's so nice and convenient. And I love this feature right here. This swivels. So these racks here, you can put belts on them, necklaces, earrings, whatever you would like, but it's so nice and handy. It's a great gift idea with the upcoming holiday season. If you know somebody who wants to add more space to their closet, or if they ran out of space, they just need a place to put more clothes, they're going to think this is a fantastic gift idea for their birthday, the upcoming holiday, even a housewarming gift. Here's a closer up view of how nicely it's designed and put together, all the added features, the 2 racks, the 2 side racks for jewelry, necklaces, ties, scarves. It's sturdy, it's durable, it can handle a lot of clothes, jeans, and you can even throw some shoes on there. But I love it. Great for storage, great for saving space, or if you're running out of space, you're absolutely going to love it too.